Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to drag and drop a picture or a design over into a template. Now, this is just not any template that we're going to be drag and dropping. Y'all, this is an amazing template that you can make for your graduate. Now, what I'm talking about is this right here. Now, I know a lot of you probably have seen these right here. This is a graduation pin or a graduation button, whichever one you want to call it. And this right here, hey, you go to graduation and this lets you know or let others know who you representing for. All right. So it will go right here on your clothing, your t-shirt, your whatever it is that you're wearing. Okay, so you can put it on the left hand, the right hand, whatever side you want to put it on. Now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you how to drag and drop the actual picture into the template. Okay, so I'm selling just the template, and we're going to go over to my website and I'm going to show you how to grab the template. Then we're going to go in Canva and I'm going to show you how to drag and drop inside the template. So let's go over to my website, which is IeashaDesignedIt.com. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you. And we're going to go over to IeashaDesignedIt.com. So let's go right here. I'm going to do a new tab. All right, so let's type in Ieasha Design. Okay, let's type in IeashaDesignedIt.com. We're going to click it and it's going to take us over to my website. You see right here, this is my website. So I already have something in here. I'm going to remove that just so I can show you. All right, so we're going to go all the way down to where it says collections. We're going to go to where it says the digital collection right here. We're going to click it, and y'all, these are some items, some digital items that I have so far. All right, so we're going to go right here in the middle where it says class of 2026 grab button, drag and drop template. So as you see, you will go from this, which is a plain look, to this right here, which is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to click it. All right, we're going to come down. You're going to read everything if you need to. This is $5.99, super reasonable. So what you can do, you can say add to cart, or you can go ahead and click on buy now. So we're going to go ahead and click on buy now. All right, so once you click on buy now, it will take you to the section where you can go ahead and purchase the template. Okay, so you can buy with a card and more. You can buy with a credit card, you can use Google Pay, or you can come down here and you can use PayPal. Completely up to you. So what you do, if you whichever one you decide to choose, you just fill in all the information and you click right here to where it says buy now. Now, like I said, the subtotal is $5.99. The taxes will be charged. You click buy now and the template will come to whatever email address that you choose at checkout. So what we're going to be doing now, I'm going to go back, I'm going to stop sharing. We're going to go to Canva. Okay, I'm going to share my screen again. We're going to go into Canva. All right. Okay, so we're going to go into Canva and we're going to go on here and we're going to grab this right here and we're going to go down. Let's see. All right, so now we're in Canva, canva.com. So go ahead and follow along with me. You can use if you have the free version or the pro version. I have the pro version. I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it. I pay $12.95 a month, but the price may be different now. It just depends. So this once you purchase the template, it will come up. You can go ahead and you can add it into your Canva. Go ahead and add it to Canva. And then what you do, you come over here to the left-hand side. You will go down to where you see uploads. Now, a lot of you may have designs already in your uploads. You will have pictures or designs or whatever it is that you have in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in here and we're going to choose this girl right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on her. Once you click her, it will come over into this area right here, this same area. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your mouse, you're going to click on it, and you're going to drag her picture down until it just falls into the circle of the template. Okay, let me show you that again. So once you go to upload, you're going to click whatever picture design that you want. It will come up over here in the this little area right here. Okay, what you would do, you will take it, you will hold it with your mouse, okay, and you will drag it down until it shows up inside of the circle. Then you will let it. All right, so one thing that you see right here, this is not how we want this because you can't see her entire face. So what we're going to do, we're going to double click on the picture and we're just going to bring it down just like this. Did you see that? Then you're going to take your mouse and go over to the side and just click the side, and that takes it completely off. And now you have your design right here. You have your picture or your design. I'm going to show you how to take a design if you want to do that and place it in here also. But y'all, do y'all see how cute this is? And so this is absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take her out. And now I'm going to show you how you can take your actual design. So let's see. Let me show you another one. Now, this is another one that I have. This is the one that I showed you from the actual button that I made. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take it, I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to do the same that you seen me do earlier. I'm just going to take it, I'm going to drag it, and you see how it just dropped directly into the template. Now look how this look, y'all. And this is the way that it will look with writing. The first one I showed you didn't have any writing. It just had a picture, which a picture is absolutely gorgeous also. Now, if you have one that has writing on it, just like this one right here, you already see how it will look. It will look amazing also. Okay. So let's just say you don't want it for graduation. You want it for something totally different. Okay. So let me see. I'm going to delete this. Just say, for instance, you want it for something totally different. So let me go down and see what I can find that will be an actual design that you may want to put on here, y'all. I have so many different ones. Um, I was trying to see if I could find one of. All right, so let me find one. All right, so I was gonna put my daughter in there. I was trying to find one of my mom, but it's probably all the way down at the bottom. So let me just show you of another one that you can take and place in there. I'm just gonna take this Alabama State University um little thing here, and I'm just going to place it in there. So I clicked on it twice. So this is where history is made. So I'm going to take it, I'm just going to drag it in there just like that. Now, one thing about this, since the outside part is white, it's very hard to see this, but you can kind of, one thing I made this template is where you can adjust it. So you can adjust it to whatever height that you need it so that it fits inside of the your button or your pen, whichever one you call it. Okay, so you see how this is now. You remember it was all on the outside of it, but once I came in and I adjusted the size, you see that it is on the inside of the pen right here, okay, on the template. All right, so that's another thing that you can do. Like I said, the template that I made can be made for anything. It doesn't have to just be for graduation season. But I just want to talk to you about graduation season because graduation season is here and that's what I'm focusing on right now. But you can add anything in here. You can come here to elements. Let's say we want to go to elements and we want to type in what do we want to type in? Just type in I don't know what we're gonna do. Just say love. All right. Valentine's Day just came. Valentine's Day, what, last Saturday? So we're just gonna say love. And we're gonna come here and we're gonna find something that we're gonna drop over in there. You may have something already in your uploads folder, but just say, for instance, we want to find, just say these little cute penguins, okay? This is just, just to show you that you can use different things besides actual pictures, okay? So this is an actual design that we're going to be using. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on it with my mouse. And as you see, it comes up right here in my canvas. I call this little area my canvas, y'all. And it is directly over the actual button template that you will receive from my website. So what you do, you're going to do the same thing like I told you to do with the actual picture, and you're just going to take it, you click on your mouse, and you're going to drag it down until you see it fall inside of the circle. So you see that, and you're going to let it go. So do you see that, y'all? It's already there. So what we're going to do, if you need to, you can size it, because it needs to be sized a little bit. So once you go ahead and size it, it will come up just like that. Now, do you see that? Y'all, that is so cute. So this just shows you that you can use a picture, you can use a design, you can use whatever it is that you want to use, okay? And this is absolutely cute. Like I said, these buttons can be made for any occasion. You may just want to make something super cute for your grandchild, maybe your niece, whatever it may be, okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this out. Uh-oh. All right, so I'm going to delete this. So this is what I wanted to show you right here. I showed you how to go to my website. I showed you how to come to Canva, how to go ahead and upload the actual picture from your uploads section here, and also how to come to Elements and grab a design over here in Elements. If you did not see my video that I did before, let me stop sharing my screen so that I can come back to you. All right, so if you did not see the video that I made, not the last video, but I think it was the video before that, what I did when I went into Canva and I showed you everything from elements, uploads, I did all of that. It will be linked in the cart. It will be linked right here, and in the description box for you to go and check it out. All right. So I hope this helped you to understand what drag and drop is. Drag and drop is super simple. I highly recommend it for beginners. Those of you who are looking to just go ahead and drag something inside of a template in order to, go ahead and get it done. Like I said, this button template is absolutely gorgeous and amazing for graduation. And like I said, all you have to do is just pin it on your clothing, your t-shirt, whatever it is, because you know what? We're going to represent, because my daughter, I probably told you this, but my oldest daughter is finishing up college this year. Actually this year. But one thing about her school, she won't walk into next year. But 2026, she's done, y'all. And also my twins are finishing up 8th grade. So y'all, I'm going to be making plenty of these using my template. Okay. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. If you all have any questions, make sure you go and leave them in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments and I will answer. Okay. So you all have a great day. I hope that you had a great Valentine's Day. Let me tell you that. I hope that you had a great Valentine's Day, and I hope everyone just enjoyed their day. Okay, so I will see y'all on my next video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Peace.